In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Stamp Vegetal brush in Krita. Open the Brush Presets docker, or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type Stamp Vegetal and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single vegetation stamp, or drag your brush to create a chain of repeated plant textures. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the stamps larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the stamps closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase parts of the texture, adjust the layer later, or change the blending mode without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Stamp Vegetal brush is designed to stamp plant and foliage textures as you paint instead of creating smooth brush strokes. It's a good choice when you're painting grass, leaves, bushes, ground cover, or adding natural-looking vegetation to your artwork. And that's how to use the Stamp Vegetal brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.